Hello everyone. Now we have successfully installed Docker Desktop. In this video, we will use commands and operations related to images and containers. Before moving forward, I will just quickly refresh your memory about Docker images and containers. What is a Docker image? Docker image is a read-only template that contains instructions for creating a container. You can create multiple containers out of one image. What is a Docker container? Docker container is an isolated runtime environment that contains all the dependencies and configuration. These are the commands we are going to explore today, along with the examples to help you understand how they work in practice. Let's go to the command prompt and run Docker command. First one is Docker ps. Docker ps will show you the currently running containers in your system. Docker ps. At this moment, I don't have any containers running. You can see the same result from the Docker Desktop UI as well. If you are following this tutorial with me, you may also have the same result. Next one is Docker image. Actually, Docker image is a parent command or umbrella, and it has many subcommands. When you type Docker image --help, you will see the available subcommands, such as history, import, inspect, ls, pull, etc. Some Docker commands have shorter versions like docker pull, which is equivalent to the Docker image pull. Let's use ls command. Docker image ls. Okay, now you can see I don't have any images in my system. You can see the same thing from the Docker Desktop UI as well. So let's pull an image. To pull an image, we will use this command, docker image pull. This is the full version of this command. However, before pulling an image, we have to find out which image is suitable for us. For that, we need to go to the Docker Hub. Let's go to the browser and search Docker Hub. Basically, it's a big online library where you can find all sort of ready-made container images and all the details about these images as well. Yes. We will start with one of the coolest and most minimalist base image, Alpine. This is the Alpine image overview. Alpine is an operating system, specifically a lightweight Linux distribution. Keep in mind that Dockers are headless. You can see the introduction of Alpine, a minimal Docker image based on Alpine Linux with a complete package index and only 5 MB in size. We have already talked about how lightweight Docker images are, and now you can see the actual number for yourself. It is impressive, isn't it? This is why they run so fast. Less size means less stuff to load, so containers start up quicker and use fewer resources. It's all about efficiency. Make them perfect for fast and smooth deployment. Here you can find tags. Tags are like Versions for Docker images. You can always go with the latest tag, but keep in mind that latest is a moving target. It's just a label assigned to the most recent stable release and it can change over time. For now, I will choose the 3.15 tag. It's just a random version. This will show you how to pull a specific version of the image. Press enter. Okay, download complete. It didn't even take 10 seconds. This is the full version of Docker pull command. Even though the core Alpine image is 5 megabyte, Docker add a small amount of extra overhead when running on Windows. Let's see the Docker image list again. Previously it was empty. Since we pulled the Alpine image, we should be able to see it. Just 9.07 megabyte. This size can be vary depending on your operating system. I ran the same command on my MacBook and the image size was 5.35 megabyte. On my Ubuntu system, it was 5.59 megabyte. But even in Windows, entire operating system image is just only 9 megabyte. To put that into perspective, most traditional software images can easily be gigabytes. This shows just how lightweight and efficient Alpine Linux image is compared to other traditional operating systems. Now let's run this image, go inside the container and execute some basic Linux commands. Let's go to the slide. This is the run command. Using run command, you can create container out of image. Docker run dash it. I means interactive, T means TTY terminal. Then image name colon tag. Tag can be a text as well. Finally, the program you want to run inside the Docker. Since this is a minimal base image, we only have shell, that means sh. Let's go to the command prompt and type this command docker run dash it, I for interactive, T for TTY terminal, image name colon the tag 3.15, then the program sh. But in Alpine, even though you haven't mentioned sh, it will work because they have specified /bin/sh as the default command to run when a container start from the Docker image. But don't expect this behavior from all the Docker images. Now we have successfully created a Docker container and we are inside that Docker container. This place is called the entry point or the root directory of a Linux operating system. Let's execute ls from the root directory to view the directory structure. You will see directories like bin, div, home, lib, and etc. This is the basic Linux directory structure commonly found in most Linux systems. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the container and explore more Docker container commands. Let's go to the next video. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any issues, please comment down below.